back. Today I am doing a split base and I'm gonna do a bloom swipe transfer like I did on a previous painting. But I want to use Metallic Cobalt Blue as one of my split base colors. So I think that's gonna be really cool because you don't really see that as a base color. You see it more in your pores. So hopefully that's gonna come out great. So let's get down on the canvas and let's get started. This might be a little bit longer video than normal. So, all right, I'll be right back. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a split base. I am going to do a split base. Top half is going to be Metallic Cobalt Blue from Artist Loft. And the bottom half is going to be Artist Loft in the soft body black. And then my colors, I am going to use a Quinacridone, Magenta, a pink, gold, and a red. And I'll tell you those as we go. So what I'll do is I will put the paints out on here, blow it out with a blow dryer like a bloom, and then I will do a transfer going just across the canvas like this, stretch it out, and that's it. All right, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put down like a little puddle of white here. Like I would for a bloom, not much. And I'm gonna put, so this is some red, which is Pyrolle red, kind of mixed with a crimson red. Pebeo Iridescent Gold. This is kind of like a Venetian pink. And Quinacridone Magenta. Bring this back to center a little bit. Put some white Cell Activator down. Gonna take my little small dryer and blow it out. I'm thinking what's going to need to happen is about 3 of these blooms, and I'll just guide them across the canvas. All right, now my question is do I want to use my small palette knife or the large one? I think I'm going to use the large. Go with another one. This time, let's try some black and white Cell Activator. So I'm just kind of loading it all up here because then I'm going to stretch it down. I think what I want is one more. it. Do it this way. Bring it down. All right, guys, so here we are with the wet result. Really cool. I just wanted to get some red and white going through there to break up the two split colors, and I'm loving it. I did use the Artist Loft white because I knew it was gonna sell up, and that's exactly what happened. So I'm loving so much of this. The only thing that concerns me is it's a metallic, so you know how metallics are probably gonna dry here on the canvas. Hopefully it's not too metallic-y, if that makes, is that a word? Metallic-y? Anyways. We'll see how this dries. Be right back. All right, here we are with the dried result. That Metallic Cobalt Blue dried really, really cool looking. I think it's gonna look great with some Liquitex gloss varnish on it. All right, guys, that's gonna do it. That's the piece. I really like how it dried. I love this Metallic Cobalt Blue. It's really, really cool. The transfer swipe I like as well. I lost a little bit of the gold. You could see a little bit in there, but it just kind of got lost. And that is because I just didn't really put a whole lot of it down there. And then picking it up and swiping it out. So. But I'm getting better with these swipes. It's just a matter of getting the technique. You got to get your wrist to turn as you're bringing the paint over. So Dominic Sherrill, he does really, really good swipes like that. So I need to go back and watch some of his videos. All right, everyone. Everyone have a great day. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.